We are now at Mount Magarwak jump-off point. Time is now. We'll be back hopefully by 8:30 or so before it gets hot. Hurrah. Today I have the great honor of joining Ma'am Salome, David, and Nick. Excellence. We have reached the halfway point, the junction, and so far they just drank water just now, very fast. We are now at the steepest part. All right, Wuniva. Oh, you guys can go ahead, yeah. All right. Follow.
I could feel the burn a little bit.
Hoorah, nice, we made it to the junior summit. All right, now coffee time. Right. A little slippery on the way down, but SEAL Team 6 got it on control.
Climb.
Yeah. We are here at the eastern point. Excellent, just enough to catch the sunrise over here, hopefully, and a good view of the northern mountains. Hoorah!
Nick.
Oh.
That's a nice one.
Heading back. Excellent, nothing to it, just like gym class.
The rope definitely helps.
And Ma'am Salome. Excellent. Making it look easy. And our brave heroes trek forth, unaware of the dangers that lurk ahead. All right, and we are here at Mount Magarwak's northern point. As you can see, the great view of the surrounding mountains. Hoorah. Are back at the tower. Now time for a short break, a swig of water perhaps, and getting ready for the most exciting part of the hike. All right, challenging part up ahead. Oh, okay.
Are we going this?
It's a little more challenging over there though.
Over there?
Over here is a little more easier. But they like it spicy. Careful. Let's take our time on this one. The steepest part.
The gravel, it makes you slide.
I agree.
I try to stay away as much as I can. Sometimes I make choice.
Yeah, you just gotta flow with the go. You gotta have your spider senses on. Hello, good morning po. Grabe, ang daming baon na. Hindi yung bag. Okay, copy.
Be nice to have shoes that just lack up. Although that would be dangerous too, I guess.
Agree. I'd say technique would matter more over here. You see some of the locals just going in their flip-flops. All right, nice and easy. Accident-prone area.
You all right, Sal? Oh, I didn't even see the road.
Excellent technique. Good, good. Ain't nothing but a peanut. Nice. Send it. Excellent. All right, made it. Get some good vitamin D.
We used to do hiking in Utah in the summer, and holy cow.
Yeah,
Our bottled water would turn to molten lava. It was so hot.
agree.
Am I going the wrong way?
Oh yeah, it's fine. Same way. They do look better in the photos though, I think.
What's that?
The umbrellas,
Oh,
much more stylish.
who started this? The Japanese? I know it's the Japanese.
I think so, yeah. Or the
They're always carrying
Chinese.
umbrellas around.
Yeah. Oh, I got our professional camera woman over here. Excellent. Great. Thank you, ma'am. All right.
Thank God, because you guys, I just don't, they don't make as much money here also. So you need that lower cost of living, right?
Agree.
And we have to make a lot of money just to have a halfway decent money.
Yeah. Right. Last difficult descent. Last chance to get any bloopers in. But I don't think so. These guys have good balance.
Don't jinx it.
Ain't nothing to it. All day. And in 10 meters, turn left.
Even in the winter time when there's ice,
Yeah?
so far, thank God, I haven't fallen. But I'll tell you, when I catch my balance,
Yeah.
I pull something because I jolt so fast.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, ma'am.
So I don't know well, I guess that falling would be worse than just
Mm.
over your head.
Yeah.
My
Is-
dad fell on the ice one time.
Is it like the black ice on the pavement?
Yeah, we have black ice where you can't tell it's slippery.
Ah, yes. Oh, over here to the left side. There you go. I try to avoid the right one with the barbed wire. Might accidentally use it as a railing. Great, great. Nice.
In the old days, I would run down, but I'm not chancing that anymore.
Yeah. Need a little more experience. All right, right side. Turn right.
I
There you
noticed
go.
it at night.
Oh yeah. And then that's when where the other people went. All right. Nice. We made it back. Time 7:28. Super early. Oh, forgot. Head count. So far, 1, 2, 3. All good. No casualties so far.
It's amazing how when you first go somewhere, it seems like it takes forever.
Yeah.
And when you come back, it seems so much quicker.
Oh yeah.
I'm thinking it's because your familiarity with it all.
Agree. Wish there was a name for that phenomena, I guess.
Due for another hike, man.
Wonderful.
I mean, I wouldn't mind jumping in a pool, nice cool pool, and then going. But
Ah, yes.
we do have a pool at our.
Hurrah. Wonderful. We're back safely for the most part.
Oh,
Oh, thank you.
going somewhere before you get sweaty, the air is too cold. But Now, it's not enough. It's the same error.
Bakit? Pwede ba natin laksan? Back at Dolce Vita. Perfect time. All good. Check, check. Is everyone here? Okay. Nothing left behind. Just my stuff. Okay. Ma'am Salome. Oh, Ma'am.
Oh.
Nick, thank you so much. It's been an honor. It's been a pleasure. Thank you, Sir David. Ma'am Salome, thank you so much po. See you pa next time. All right.